You can swim too?
Yeah.
I don't trust you. I don't know why.
I do.
We can just go Rose. We can just go try.
Oh wait, Kirsten. Oh yeah.
Vote. It's gonna be a boy or girl?
I already got this.
Alright, so far we're winning. Uncle Chichi! Oh, still fucked up from last week.
Look at this.
You gotta vote. To your left.
I put baby
Team boy or team girl? Oh my god. Holy, there's more girls.
Because it's a girl.
No, it's not.
No.
It's a girl.
We doing team boy? Because the team girl is winning right now. I don't know why. There you go, there you go. Team boy, we're winning. Did you guys vote?
Oh no.
Let's go, Tom. You gotta go vote.
Whatever, it's smeared.
You're very shaky. Hey, you guys gotta vote. You guys gotta vote by the door.
By the door.
Oh damn, Ed, you're looking.
That's what I'm saying.
You guys vote?
No, I'm about to right now.
Oh, you better vote, bro. All right, boys. Hey, we got girls. Why the pink?
I'm trying to get that gift card.
Y'all see this?
And whoever has the most at the end
Team boy.
I'm just telling him the
What you got? What you got?
It's either a baby boy or a baby girl in here. Baby boy. All right, someone's got to count down. 5, 4, 3.
I think everyone rubbed up their eyebrows together.
No, mine too. It's okay. No, stay away.
Take care of 2 of you now. Go pink. I think they sold us effective ones.
This is my vlog, Alex. Hope that you find this later when you're editing. Oh, my chips. They're kind of stale. They're good though. Really glad you guys had a baby girl. Super glad.
Man, this is awkward.
What?
Everyone has fucking trucks, and I brought the car. Spin! Spin! Hey, his rim fell off. What the fuck?
Somebody was like burned out like right on the property, right across the street, and that's our property.
Oh, that was
so
one of those.
fucking.
Oh no, we don't know. We don't know. You guys know?
But
No?
fucking, as long as you guys are.
Make the front end. Oh!
Make the front end come off the floor.
Yeah, someone's gotta get on this corner. Video. Hey, get on video. What happened? Bro, yo, what the fuck? Stay right there. Stay right there. Alright, hey. Oh shit. Oh shit. Watch out. Hey, no. Hey. He opened it. Wait. Oh, shit, the fucking truck. The truck. Yo. Hello, sir. Any last words?
Hey, get these tubes, dude. Look at it. Look at the cage in this thing.
Holy shit, we got a packed vehicle. I think girls queef louder than that. Yeah! He got to swing it! Swing it! Oh!
Who drank my motherfucking
That's right.
I drank them all.
I'll beat some fucking ass. I almost killed someone.
Alcoholic in a natural habitat.
Brady, you know you're alcoholic by doing that.
Hey, hey, hey.
Is that Alex Nava's YouTube channel?
Uh-huh.
What's up, viewers? Like and subscribe.
Welcome to Alex Nava Vlog.
You'll be okay, you'll find love. All of the stories the hero gets lost.